Hi, I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing these dust guards, dust shields on my 2001 Ford F-150. See the part number there. XL3Z-2K004-AA or 3016044. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to want to do is take the dust shield off. It's always fun. I'm going to get my impact gun and hose. It's a 21mm. Slide this out of the way. Okay. Can I get into the shield? No, doesn't look like it. I'm going to have to take this off. I think these are a 12mm. Wrong. They're a 13mm. There we go. Now, use this wire, hook it up out of the way. There we go. Shouldn't be that tight. Okay, slide the adapter out of the way. Rotor off. Maybe. Well, it should have been an easy job. Turned into a hell of a job. Damn. Let me get a new set of rotors. I've never had any that bad. You see all the rust in there? It must have been what was blocking it. 8mm? Seems like it. He's in here so the holes wouldn't rust up. That looks like it. Well, it turns out that there's 3 bolts. There's one here, there's one down here, and there's one below, and I missed one. So I had to take a pair of vice grips and get it off. Now I'm going to go and put it back on again. I'll use some brake clean. Clean the protective film off of this. There we go. Put one up in here. Just like that. Up in the other end. Just like that. Slide this up on. Fit nice and good there. Put one of these on the back side. Slide her up in the groove. Okay, the adapter bolt torque is 136 foot-pounds. Okay, that's in there good. 25. I need the $13mm. Let's see if I can get up one here. Okay, now let's try it. It's 1, 2, 3. Put the hubcap on. And go around to the other side. It's one side down.